How to fix console in Roblox games. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in order to fix this issue, you simply want to go ahead and restart Roblox or your browser. Simply close the Roblox app or browser completely and then reopen it. And after that, you can try joining the game again. If that does not work for you, simply switch the browser. If you're using the browser like Google Chrome, try an alternative like Microsoft Edge. If that does not work for you, you can simply try restarting your computer. For that, you want to go ahead and tap on this icon, tap on this icon right over here, and then simply tap on restart. Restarting your computer might refresh the system and help you solve the issue. Now, lastly, if that does not work for you, you can simply try uninstalling the Roblox. For that, you want to go ahead and search for add or remove in the search bar, tap open. Once you land in this kind of interface in the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox. And just like that, you'll then be able to find all the Roblox launcher right over here. To uninstall it, tap on this three dot, tap on uninstall, and then tap on uninstall again. Just like so, you can do the same step for this one as well. Tap on uninstall, and once it is installed, you want to go ahead and visit the Roblox page and then reinstall the Roblox application from that. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.